Everybody get up, it's time to slam now. We got the real jam going down. Welcome to the Space Jam. Here's your chance, do your dance at the Space Jam. Alright.
Money, I give you some time to get more carrots every time I rhyme. Can a mouse write this? Does he have long furry ears like this? Can he make hits like this? No, it's like Jordan at the plate, you're likely to miss. Warner Brothers Inc. got bank keep counting. Rule from here to the Moron Mountain. Here's the game plan, listen up Toon Squad. Number one objective, beat the Monstars. It'll be hard, them guys ain't too smart. But to be sure, Snatch Jordan playing golf, even though he tends to be a ball hog. Hey Michael, over here superstar. Who says the bunny can't play above the rim? Wait till they get a load of me. That's bugging. Who says the bunny can't ride? You're bugging. If bugs don't make you hop, you're bugging. Think the Space Jam gon' stop? You're bugging. We only bugging. Who says the bunny can't jam? You're bugging. If y'all don't know who I am, you're bugging. Bugs ain't the coolest in the land. You're bugging. We only bugging. Got a girlfriend Lola, she's a what's up, dog? Bugs got more props than a Warner Brothers lot. More money than any rapper's voice. Since day one had his and hers. Like Trump's wife up to my ears in carrots. Not even the barber can fade the rabbit. See, it's all good, cause Bugs got props. I'm a bunny, right? All we do is hip hop. Get around, underground. Keep it real, how you like me now? The bunny got flow, but one he got dough. On top of the world, me and my honey low. So from now until the record stops, you guys can bank head bounce or do the bunny hop. Says the bunny can't rock, you're bugging. If Bugs don't make you hop, you're bugging. Think the Space Jam gon' stop, you're bugging. Yeah, we only bugging. Who says the bunny can't jam, you're bugging. If y'all don't know who I am, you're bugging. Bugs ain't the coolest in the land, you're bugging. Yeah, we only bugging. And what more can I say? I'm the coolest rabbit, Doc Holliday. I'll be your Huckle Bunny, unmatched wit. I'm too legit to quit. Beat Swag Hammer, and what's his gimmick? Trying to rule the world and everything in it. Run with the Toon Stars, show us love. Peace to Lola, Daffy, Elmer Fudd. The Roadrunner, drop a dust storm. Peace to Wile E. Coyote and Fog Leghorn. Sylvester, Tweety, the rest of the gang. On Tree, the Toon Squad got the best game. And after it's over, we'll need a plan. What type of Mickey Mouse organization goes to Disneyland? What's for president? When I got your vote, time to cue party. Says the money can't rock, you're bugging. If Bugs don't make you hop, you're bugging. Think the Space Jam gon' stop, you're bugging. Yeah, we only bugging. Who says the money can't jam, you're bugging. If y'all don't know who I am, you're bugging. Bugs ain't the coolest in the land, you're bugging. Yeah, we only bugging. Who says the money can't rock, you're bugging. If Bugs don't make you hop, you're bugging. Think the Space Jam gon' stop, you're bugging. Yeah, we only bugging. So long, Screwy. See you in St. Louis. Been there, done that, got the t-shirt. I'm the only bunny that's still going. Know what I'm saying? I'm out.
That's enough of that. Come down, Selector. Rewind. I thought I told you that we won't stop. I thought I told you that we won't stop. I thought I told you that we won't. Wait a minute, we're stopping. What is this? Oh, so that's what's going on here. Let's all diss the duck.
Time to take it to its full potential. Beat this and drop some game on the instrumental. And it's essential that you listen close and run to tell your folks that the locust spoke. First things first, since your date of birth, you've been kinda confused about what your life is worth. 50 million times your weight in gold, you gotta take control. Cause fools don't let it be on. You can do anything that you wanna do. All you gotta do is put your brain into it. Take your time and educate your mind. And in the long run, I'm sure you'll find that if you walk the walk, you can talk the talk. But don't wait too long, cause life is short. And remember, no matter what they're telling you, if you try, you can be a winner too.
Keep on pushing, moving on up. Everybody, we're moving on up. Moving on up, you're a winner. You gotta keep pushing, moving on up. Everybody, we're moving on up. Moving on up, you're a winner.
Everybody rise, men and women, boys and girls. Each one teach one, but we can't save the world. All in one day, you got to take it play by play. And once you're on the path, don't you ever go astray. You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make him drink. You can give a man some wisdom, but you can't make him think. Stitch in time saves nine. The early bird gets the worm. All you can think about is getting a touch on your burn. If knowledge is all, power is knowledge. How so many years you graduated in college? Speaking, we move all out. You know what I'm talking about? When opportunity knocks, you better let him in and sit him on down and try to be his friend. In order to be a venture first, you gotta be a beginner. But if you keep on pushing, you can be a beginner.
Pushing, moving on up. Everybody, we're moving on up. Moving on up, you're a winner. You gotta
white or brown. If everybody mind their business, we can all get down. It all starts in the home, cause once they grown, they gone. And once they on their own, you got to leave them alone. Be a leader, but if you can't be a leader, make sure your leader is a damn good teacher. And imagine if you was a car and life was a race. If somebody was on your back, then you would have to give them some space. Put the pedal to the metal and match out low. But make sure you stay in your lane and go stroke for stroke. We don't need no penalties or eliminations or disqualifications, but we need this penetration. I know you heard this before, but sometimes life is what you make it. I ain't the one that's known for faking and perpetrating. If Albert was a Einstein and Phyllis was a killer and Michael Jackson was a thriller, then you can be a winner.
Don't push it now. Everybody, we're moving on up.
Take your place in this world.
You gotta keep moving, moving on up.
Don't you let nobody stop you, no, no.
Everybody, we're moving
You
on
got
up.
your ways,
Moving on
I
up.
got my way.
You gotta keep pushing. Moving on up. Everybody,
I don't mind leaving here. Show the world we have no fear. Moving on up. Now have mercy, we're moving on up. We're true from the good like God. We're gonna move on up. Now have mercy, we're moving on up.
Yeah! Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to get wild. It's time to get mad. It's time to misbehave. It's the day soca. Hey, let's go. Dale. Dale. Dale.
that's all me inflows. That's why all the fake ones them getting exposed. Laughing at these junk crows when the men grows. Shot them with a fresh nose, blow them up, make them explode. Out to the cosmos, where them know we are the utmost. Cause we be keeping it live, and we don't be talking that talk. Dirty blazing it overdrive. We now backslide, cause we ever depend the campaign. Non-stop we riding this train, platinum plaques and all of this fame.
Got no back, rat-a-tat-tat. If I'm more this step up, we put them up as cat-a-tat. Bullet every cat-a-tat to aim it for your cataract. We the gal them follow you, the flow and do what dirty that. Looking on the chat, they got them dropping on me chop. Non-stop, stop, them on the run to get the fox. Them full of heart till they're pretty dirty, got them machinery. Fit change up the lifestyle, change up them scenery. Believe it, me no like when guys creamy. Especially when me under my greenery. Still, I don't know what some fools me thinking. I heard them hear about I wonder if them drinking. Me not care who them linking or who are they kingpin. I who ever come boogie when the infrared blinking. We have them line up and they start them sinking. If them decompose and stinking.
Cause we be keeping it live, and we don't be talking that time. Dirty blazing it overdrive. We now backslide, cause we ever depend the campaign. Non-stop we riding this train, platinum plaques and all of this fame.
We not hear them no mind, so make them watch out. At a point of return, there's no looking back. With me eyes and me goal and me heading to the top. And me that sharp fall, I go sell some black. They don't like that, so them come and huff and a puff up. And a who I like, so them who I break up the dick up. And I like we lifestyle, but we still a live it up. Chance if we represent, so we represent. All the pity dirty run the city, tattoo for ticket. Girl, I shake them dance and keep it chicky. Take it back to basic, put back and lick it. And I watch go school, try from the city. Pick it back and relax and I blaze a city. And the first trash, she takes it down, roll to me.
Cause we be keeping it live, and we don't be talking that time. Dirty blazing it overdrive. We now backslide, cause we ever depend the campaign. Non-stop we riding this train, platinum plaques and all of this fame. On the campaign, non-stop we're riding this train, platinum plaques and all of this fame.
Markus Poom, teine viga.
2019 aasta Luulinnist noormeeste Eesti karikavõistluste esimene koht Audentese spordiklubi 32 kilomeetri. Võistkond mängis koosseisus Henri Veesaar, Jürgen Rännan, Fred Jordan Relve, Rico Felix Kund,
Greeting, Earthlings. We have now taken over your radio.
Going straight to the hole. You ain't got no game. I'm breaking you out the frame, coming through like a train. Not gonna take over the whole world is my goal. With my unstoppable crew taking all control. You can't get none of this. We're running this. Well, take a earth shaker, 3-point gun in this. Get out the lane, I'm coming through, and if you don't wanna move, I'm coming right through you.
It's like inch by inch and step by step. I'm closing in on your position and destruction is my mission. No, 8 is not enough, the whole squad better up. It's like switch when I bust, now your whole crew is dust. Coming through my area, I'ma have to bury ya. The real scream team, oh no scream scene. It's like showdown in the rainbow. Tell me who wanna tangle with the ghetto witch doctor, neighborhood superhero.
On and on, unstoppable, we run the floor. You can't get none of this hardcore. In the game, we take you home. Ain't seen nothing like this before.
Hit 'em high, hit 'em high, hit 'em high. How do you hit 'em low, hit 'em low, hit 'em low? If I hit 'em high, hit 'em high, hit 'em high. How do you hit 'em low, hit 'em low, hit 'em low?
Same like a runaway train, I'm in your lane like it's only 3 seconds to score to win the game. Came to bring the ultimate pain upon the brain, untamed. You don't like it when I change into a type strange. Make low maniacal, monster in the game. And I got my eye on you, dead shot aim. As free throws keep coming down like rain. You feeling me, I'm feeling you, the monster dance. I'm telling you, pass me the rock, now I'm headed to the basket. Get up on my way, it's what you better do. My tactics is unsportsmanlike conduct, you better ask it. Don't get no better than this. You got my drip, you get stripped like ball handler, grew by swag hammer. Danger, we dealing with official hoop bangers. With hang time, like a coat hanger. Jump with thunderous 360-degree type dunks. What up, Dr. Monster Funk?
Lightning strikes, the court lights get dim. Supreme competition is about to begin above the rim. Finessing it moves is animated. Once I get the ball in, I can't be deflated. A rugged part, my monsters is getting money. With clicks get the bugging, I'm snatching up their bunnies. Every step I take shakes the ground. I make you break your ankle, son, shake you down. This is my planet, I'm about business. The best that ever done it. Can I get a witness? A cumulus cloud bring darkness up above. You in it for the money or in it for the love, MJ? 23 ways to make a pay. Lounging in the mothership back around my way. A 28 light years old. If the refs get political, dribble like Bob Dole. Am I getting lyrical? Daddy, I think so. Monster, drop a flavor fluid, so drink slow. Unstoppable, we run the floor. You can't get none of this hardcore. In the game, we take. Turn the music up, please. I see nothing like this. Hit 'em high, 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 hit 'em low, hit 'em low, hit 'em low. We hit 'em low, hit 'em high, hit 'em high, hit 'em high, hit 'em high, hit 'em low, hit 'em low, hit 'em low. Yo, God bless. Pick up our chest, isn't it? I want this just so hardcore, right? Finesse up and press the step whenever you test. We speed ballin' on the back right just like the Pony Express. I'm gon' bang all in your face and take the rim off. Just put your hand and fork at the beginning. You and your team to see the back off. Get off the block, give me the ball. I said it's my rock. Let's start the lineup. I get sure to bring the livestock. Throw all your money in the pot to make sure you all bet your money on my bank shot. When we come right through, tell me what you really gon' do. Really your team name and shame and take the talent from you. Rock to abandon your shit. We take your championship, but nothing left for you to see exactly. They said replay clip. Money spending, gold taking, stay earning teams like cash cars. And be the monster.
Scissors. I'm a champion, shorty, I'm a champion. I've been around the map, now I'm on my victory lap. Hey, hey, see, I'm a champion, shorty, I'm a champion. While other niggas crashing them, hey, I'm just steady matching them. Tell them what you told me.
Olla se juuksee, rohekas leidike, lühike, veidike, rohekas leidike. Ära nüüd me autod kusagile eksi, ära sina üksinda kuhugile eksi. Rõõmus ja krampst, õiline laps.